think I can use it now.
Never mind.
Oh no!
Magnificent! Your power is every bit as impressive as I'd hoped. But the curtain has just risen. Show me your best performance. Draw. Your fate is in the past.
Do you hear me? Please help them!
I'll go with Cendrillon.
I bring you Diarahan. Shuffling the deck.
Persona.
Draw. I bring you Diarahan.
What to do? Not that.
I believed I could find my answer by challenging someone stronger than me. Alas, I was mistaken. I have received no such revelation as to who I am, not even in defeat. No, perhaps I was too hasty. Perhaps I've already found my answer. Only I can understand who I am, and only I can decide who I am. Now, I believe congratulations are in order. You have overcome the most difficult obstacle I've placed in your path. You shall receive your reward in the same manner as always. And please accept this as well. It is no reward, but a token of my gratitude. Well then, good day.